This emu is largest bird and acknowledged as king by other birds. But these ones, these are having high flight, swift running. They irritate me. They can't be supreme than me. I have to do something to hurt her. But I would gain nothing if I fight directly. I should do something cunningly. I have to double my wings in such a way as I had none. Why do you not imitate me and do without wings?
But you have wings.
No, I have no wings. See this?
Oh God. I don't want Goomblagon's reign. I have to lose my wings to save my kingship. See, I have followed your example. I have now no wings, they are cut off.
Ha ha ha. I have taken you in, old stumpy wings. I have my wings. You are fine birds, you Denevans, to be chosen kings when you are easily taken in. Ha ha ha.
I have to take revenge. Why do you not imitate me and only have 2 children? 12 are too many. They'll never grow like big Denevans.
It is possible that the smallness of my children is because of their large number, but it might be her trick. The Denevans shall not be the king, bird of birds. I have to kill all my children except 2.
Where are all your young ones?
I have killed them and have only left 2 left. How they have plenty to eat now and will soon grow as big as yours.
You cruel mother, to kill your children, you greedy mother. Why I have 12 children and I have find food for them all. I would not kill one for anything, not even if so by doing I could get them back by my wings. There is plenty for all. Look at the emu bush, how it covers itself with berries to feed my big family. See how the grasshoppers come hopping round so that we can catch them and fatten on them.
But you have only 2 children.
I have 12. I'll go and bring them to show you. Now you see, my words are true. I have 12 young ones. By trickery and deceit, you lost the Dinevans and their wings. And now for even more, as long as a Dinevan has no wings, so long shall a Goomblegaman lay only 2 eggs and have only 2 young ones. We are quits now. You have your wings and I my children.
And ever since that time, a Denevan or emu has no wings, and a Goomblegavan or bustard of the plains have laid only 2 eggs in a season. Thank you.